Pre-market summary for Indian stock market. NIFTY 50 Index futures trading on the Singapore Stock Exchange suggest that the Nifty could fall 75 points at the opening bell. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, announced on Thursday that the Monetary Policy Committee, MPC, will meet again on November 3, 2022. The MPC last met on September 28 to 30, 2022. It was scheduled to meet for the final time this calendar year on December 5 to 7, 2022. Overseas, Asian stocks are trading lower ahead of the Bank of Japan's interest rate decision and a slew of earnings reports from the region. According to reports, the Bank of Japan will maintain ultra-low interest rates. The central bank is also expected to slightly lower its growth forecasts while raising its inflation forecasts. In the United States, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq both fell on Thursday, despite solid economic data and a mixed bag of corporate earnings. According to the Bureau of Economic Analysis report, the U.S. economy grew at a 2.6% annualized rate during the period. The chain-weighted price index, a measure of cost of living that is adjusted to reflect changing consumer behavior, increased by 4.1% in the third quarter. According to the Federal Reserve's inflation gauge, headline inflation rose 4.2%, a sharp decrease from 7.3%. The European Central Bank raised interest rates by 75 basis points on Thursday, the third consecutive increase this year. The most recent rate increase raises the ECB's main benchmark from 0.75% to 1.5%. The ECB also announced changes to the terms of its targeted longer-term refinancing operations or LTROs. Domestic equity barometers ended with modest gains on Thursday, despite mixed global cues. The S&P BSE Sensex increased by 212.88 points, or 0.36%, to 59,756.84. The Nifty 50 rose 80.60 points, or 0.46%, to 17,736.95. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, purchased shares worth 2,818.40 crore on October 27, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers worth 1,580.10 crore, according to preliminary data. Follow us, information is wealth.